Alright, so working on a 22 Model 3. So this one just arrived from the auction. It's in that post-crash mode. You can see the screen super dark on it. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna get it out of the crash mode. I have it connected to Tesla Toolbox. It's a software-based service provider, so you have to pay for it. It's about 154 30 days. Okay, so we're connected. So we're gonna go to actions. Post. Okay, so we're gonna type in post crash load shedding. I didn't replace the pyro fuse, so let's see if it's gonna clear or no. It did clear it. Okay, and the screen just got brighter. So now we get to see what's going on here. Okay, so the pyro fuse is blown. You can see it right there, that red one. I'm waiting on the replacement to arrive any day now. But let's see what it's going to say here. Cleared. Huh. There's a chance I might have cleared it. So that's it. I mean, there's more to it, like the other stuff, obviously, but I think at this point it might be drivable. Okay, so I don't have a pin. I might have to register the car to get the pin from it. This is the first one that had it. That arrived that was locked with the pin while I have the key cards in hand, and it's still locked. So we'll see. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Thanks, appreciate it.